Hello there, we are back down at the Racecourse ground in Wrexham for our next update on this new top stand build by Wrexham Football Club. It is Sunday the 16th of August this was filmed. My name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel. If you do like content like this, football content in general, give us a subscribe, like the video, blah 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 blah. So we have some exciting news that we've decided to do. We are running a competition to win a pair of tickets to a Wrexham football game later on in the season. To find out what you need to do to enter this competition, keep watching this video. More details on that a bit later on. Okay, let's get into this video and see where it's up to. So, as I say, it was Sunday, the 16th of August. There's no one on site, so you know what that means. We can get nice and close, take a good look around, get the drone quite low. I'm not sure, I don't know whether there's like some sort of youth thing going on or something on the pitch, but there was some sort of like football activity happening. Anyway, we're not here for that today. So, as you can see from the shot here, all these orange um, bits on the stadium, they are like temporary supports that'll hold things in place while they are building around it. You will see a lot of these right throughout the site as we go around. Still lots of machinery, diggers, cherry pickers, all kinds. You can see some of them support the side of the stand there, and directly in the middle of your picture. Obviously, they're on site waiting to go up and be fitted. I think last time there was only one of them on the left hand side. There has now been one fitted on the right hand side. So we will take a look at that as we go around. Excuse me. So just going over to the car park of the pub. Is it called? Is it called the Turf? Yeah, just over the Turf car park. One of the most famous pubs in Championship football at the moment. As you can see there at the top of your picture, that other side, the looks a bit like a ladder, I suppose, over the far side in the top left of your corner. And you can also see more of them orange temporary supports, just holding everything together. There's been a lot of concrete terracing fitted while we've been away. I've just stepped away for a few weeks because I had a couple of holidays to attend. Well, I was not attend, I was going anyway. Just been on a couple of holidays to Lanzarote and Benidorm as well. Just taking a little break, not only from this, but obviously from the million other jobs that I've got. Obviously, the other two jobs that allow me to do this as more of a hobby than anything else. So there's two lots of concrete terracing, and the very top of your screen right now, we will go as we fly around. We will see that there's just a bit of the second tier of the concrete terracing to go in. They're ready to fit that white piece of steelwork as well. There we go. So you can see the terrace supports there, them three white arms, steel arms at the top of your picture, just sticking out, waiting to hold the concrete terracing in place. You can just see the way they've done that there with the other, and there is the famous turf car park. I'm sure many of you have had a little burger and chips out of the takeaway trailer in that car park on the way to and from the game. Okay, let's get round and take a proper look at this concrete terracing. I don't know whether like someone's training on the pitch there or something, but nice to see them out and about. Obviously, the championship season is now back, and Wrexham are actually away to Cardiff Monday night. Cardiff back in the championship, so half decent chance of getting off to a positive start this season. Right, so see that the higher tier. There's actually just underneath. There's still a tiny bit of concrete terracing, like essentially missing from that bottom tier, which you've only just noticed, to be honest. But from the last time we were here, there has been a bit of a big difference. Okay, competition time. So we've decided to give away 2 tickets to a Wrexham game this season. So all you have to do is to enter this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then send us an email to thestadiumuk@gmail.com. That'll be in our about. The email address will also be in our about tab on the channel's page on YouTube. And you just have to email us saying done. Any emails that come into the inbox for this will be put in a draw on the 30th of September. We're going to do a live stream for it, and we will pick one random email address that will win the tickets. We will give you 4 date options, and then you simply pick which game you would like to go to. Good luck, and we will see you on the next update. Take care.